Welcome to our channel. Today we're venturing into the heart of Southeast Asia to explore the incredible wildlife of Thailand. From dense jungles teeming with life to serene beaches kissed by turquoise waters, Thailand is a land of diverse ecosystems. However, this natural splendor faces a growing threat. Many of Thailand's most iconic creatures are now classified as rare or endangered, their very existence hanging in the balance. Join us now as we journey through Thailand's forests, mountains, and coastal waters to meet these remarkable animals and discover the challenges they face in a rapidly changing world. In the heart of Thailand's dense jungles roams a true giant, the Asian elephant. Revered for centuries as a symbol of strength and wisdom, these magnificent creatures are deeply woven into the fabric of Thai culture. Their immense size is an imposing sight, yet their movements are surprisingly graceful as they navigate the dense undergrowth. They communicate with a series of rumbles and trumpets, their calls echoing through the forest. But sadly, the Asian elephant is now endangered. Habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment has driven them into ever smaller territories. And the illegal ivory trade continues to pose a grave threat, making the protection of these gentle giants more crucial than ever. We venture deeper into Thailand's protected forests, seeking a glimpse of one of the world's most elusive predators, the Indo-Chinese tiger. With its distinctive stripes and piercing gaze, the Indo-Chinese tiger is a master of camouflage, perfectly adapted for life in the shadows. Once widespread throughout Southeast Asia, the Indo-Chinese tiger is now critically endangered. Habitat loss and fragmentation have pushed them to the brink. Their numbers have dwindled to a mere few hundred individuals, scattered across isolated pockets of their former range. Poaching for their bones and other body parts, fueled by the illegal wildlife trade, remains a constant threat. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the remaining populations, but the future of this magnificent cat hangs precariously in the balance. Chapter 3. The Gentle Grazers Dugongs in Peril. Our journey takes us to the coastal waters of Thailand, home to the dugong. Often called sea cows, these gentle giants are perfectly adapted for ocean life. Their sleek bodies glide through the water as they graze on seagrass meadows. But sadly, the dugong is now classified as vulnerable to extinction. Entanglement in fishing nets and habitat destruction have taken a heavy toll. Chapter 4. Armored and Endangered, the Sunda pangolin. Back on land, we encounter a creature as unique as it is vulnerable, the Sunda pangolin. Covered in overlapping scales, the Sunda pangolin resembles a walking pine cone. When threatened, it curls into a tight, impenetrable ball. Sadly, these scales are coveted for traditional medicine and status symbols. The Sunda pangolin is now the most trafficked mammal in the world. Despite trade bans, poaching continues to decimate their populations. The plight of the Sunda pangolin highlights the urgent need for stronger conservation measures. Chapter 5. A Jewel of the Forest, Gurne's Pitta. Our final encounter takes us to the lowland forests of southern Thailand, home to one of the world's rarest birds, Gurne's Pitta. With its vibrant plumage, a striking combination of blue, green, black, and orange, Gurne's Pitta is a true jewel of the forest. This elusive bird spends most of its life foraging on the forest floor. Once thought extinct, Gurne's Pitta was rediscovered in the 1980s. Today, its survival remains precarious. Habitat loss due to deforestation continues to threaten its existence. Conservation efforts focus on protecting the remaining forest patches. Outrow protecting Thailand's natural heritage. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Thailand's rare wildlife. From the majestic elephants to the elusive tigers, the gentle dugongs to the unique pangolins, and the vibrant Gurne's Pitta, Thailand's biodiversity is truly remarkable. However, as we've seen, many of these animals face an uncertain future. Habitat loss, poaching, and the illegal wildlife trade all pose significant threats to their survival. It is our shared responsibility to protect these incredible creatures and ensure that future generations can marvel at their beauty and wonder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing wildlife content.